Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can contact Klover customer support. In order to do so, here we are at joinklover.com. And with Klover, if you are interested in using it, you can download it on the App Store or on Google Play. If you are trying to contact customer service for Klover, if we ask AI, if we find the answer here in our handy Cider extension, we can find that in order to contact Klover customer support, we need to email support@joinklover.com. Their email team is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Please note that if you are a Chime or Varo customer, you may have different points to dollar, so keep that in mind, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, a handy extension that is integrated in your Chrome browser and allows you at any time to just click this handy little button here at the bottom, and immediately you will have access to an AI chatbot that you can ask any question of, and you can also switch model here and you have access to all of the main chatbots that are out there: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek. They're all there, and so you can ask your questions and you can compare answers and make sure that you're getting as accurate information as possible. And if you click on the link in the description, you would be helping us out and we would certainly appreciate it.